Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about the Nifty Bank Nifty expiry day ITM1 version, which I have shared for duplication purpose. So how where the link is shared? First, this is my blog. So the links will be generally shared in this TradeTron shared strategy code blog post. So if I go there, so initially you can see some codes through which you can just see the live trades of for these strategies, and then there will be one line saying link to duplicate, and this link to duplicate is here. So if you click on it, you will get this link and you can duplicate. For duplicating, you have to log on to your TradeTron account first and then click on that link, and once you duplicate, it will be automatically duplicated in your TradeTron account, and then you can trade it. So before going into the details of the strategy, I'll just share the backtest for this one. This is the expiry day setup, and it takes trade in 3 lots of Bank Nifty and 3 lots of Nifty. So where to see the details on the backtesting side? So I have this blog post where I share the backtesting Excel, which is updated every weekend. So a master list of strategies. So this blog post has backtesting basket lane. So this is updated as of last Friday. So now if I want to see how the backtesting of that particular combination looks, so what I'll be doing is I'll be downloading this Excel into my local. So it has downloaded into my laptop, and then I'll open it. And this is because you'll not be able to edit the Google Sheet version, so we have to download it. Now say so what that strategy does is it takes trade in one lot of Bank Nifty ITM1 at 9:25, then other lot in 11:30 for Bank Nifty only, ITM1, and third lot ITM1 at 13:30. So and 3 lots, it takes trade in 3 lots of Nifty ITM1 at 11:30. So it is just to balance out the Nifty and Bank Nifty, that 3 lots of each. So now if I want to see the backtesting, what I'll be doing is I'll be making all other strategies lot as 0. So 3 here and 1 here, and removing the lots of, so we can see now it is only 3 lots of Bank Nifty and 3 lots of Nifty. So it is giving around 2.5% of monthly return, which is like 30% annual return, and charges will be less for it because we are just trading on expiry days. So it is just 1 day in a week, and the maximum drawdown which this strategy has is 1.65% of the capital, and almost 10 lakh is needed without any hedges to trade this setup. So now going to the strategy, this is kind of heavy capital strategy, so I just want to walk over how it is being built in brief. So this is the first condition. So the set 1, 2 and 3, they are taking trades in Bank Nifty. So the set 1 is for 9:25. So time is greater than equal to 9:25, and the position details equal to 0 is so that this set will not be executed again, and this will always be the first set and this today equal to current week expiry is the condition to make sure that it trades on the expiry day. So even if Thursday is a holiday, it will trade on Wednesday, because Tradetron will have this variable current week expiry as true for Wednesday in the case Thursday is holiday. So that is here, and this is like we are taking positions in ITM1, and then the repair conditions are simple only, like whenever a option price reaches 75%, then it will take exit, or if the other set has already exited, then it will exit at the cost. So those are the repair one's condition. And then set 2 builds on the first set. So here we are checking the position detail is minus 50, because when first set has taken the positions, we are checking the sell side. The entry is on the sell side, we are selling, so we are selling CE and PE, so it becomes minus 25, and multiply is the number of lots, or number of that multiplication factor in which I am trading. For me it is 1, but you can make it 2, then it will become a 20 lakh capital strategy, and then that many means instead of trading 1 lot at 925, it will trade 2 lots at 925. So it's for that purpose. And same way the set 3 is to take trade in 1330, and it will take only if the position detail is minus 100, means the previous 2 sets have already taken the position. So, and this also makes sure it is executed only once, even if the set exits, like both the stop loss are hit, even after that it will not take re-entry. So for that we are using position detail. And one small change as compared to the back testing, what I have done is I am exiting if any side becomes the premium of any side becomes less than 5. So sometimes what happens is the options, one of the option prices drops below 5, and if we don't book and the market reverses, then we lose that all the profits in that. So I'm not using trailing, but I'm using this to make sure that if it drops below 5, we are not continuing with the strategy. So this is a exit for that particular set. If any of the ITM1 option reaches below 5, it will exit that set. So that is the on the Banknifty multi-time frame. This one. So this is the same strategy which I have talked in the blog. Yeah, this Banknifty ITM1 expiry day strategy. So first strategy is for 925, and okay. Then at the end there is a multi-time frame strategy which takes into trade in multiple time frames for the ITM1 itself. So it is the same strategy. Now the Nifty ITM1 strategy is coded in set 4, and we can see for these first, second, third set, I don't have any MTM loss or MTM profit target set. One way to set that target is using the position detail function with the profit P&L. So I'll explain that later, but anyway I'm not using that for this strategy. And the set 4 is for the Nifty ITM1 1130. So what it does is, that's a simple one. It just checks whether it has not taken any trade. So the Nifty 50, there is no trade on the underlying Nifty 50, and at 1130 it will take that trade, and it will sell that ITM1 CEP for Nifty. And only one change is here. This is the difference. What happens in Nifty, the premiums of CE and PE might be different, means one might be 50, other might be 30. So what I have done is, instead of 75% on both the sides, I have taken the combined premium, and I am taking 37.5%, which is half of 75% on each leg. So what it will do is, it will sum up, like say 30 and 50 is the premium, so it will sum up them. So it is like 30 So it is will become the combined premium, and 75% of it is this 60. So it will break it down into half, which is like 30. Now what it will do is both the sides, the stop loss will hit if they go beyond 30 points. So if 50 becomes the 50, the option which has 50 price of 50 at entry, if it becomes 80, it will hit. And at the same time, if the price of the option which had 30, so it can go up by 30 more points, so it will be hit when it reaches 60. So this is just to avoid those cases where, like, say, if this market is going in a direction, and say we go towards, say, 50 is increasing, the option which has price of 50 is increasing, and by the time it hit the stop loss, it will be trading at 87.5, so like which will be loss of 37.5. Now the gain from the other option will be just 30, so we'll be still losing 7.5 points. But if we go with 30-30, then the 50 will hit at 80, and 30 will the whole 30 premium would come to us, so there will not be any loss on that one. Means it will be no profit, no loss. So that's how I have taken that premium into account, the entry premium. And here also one more same thing is there, like we have if any leg becomes below 5, so I'm leaving 5 point on the table, because I don't want to take the risk of reversal once it reaches below 0.5, and that depends on individual. So if you remove this these two lines from here and then submit and save, then this option will go off. And now here you can see for Nifty what I have done is so one thing what I didn't show it, because I'm running it as a multiplier of 1, means at my strategy level, the overall level, but I want to take trade in 3 Nifty lots. So what I have done is, when I'm building the position, so yeah, here I'm building the position for Nifty, so I'm trading in 3 lot directly from here. So you can see in the position builder I'm trading 3 lots, and the Banknifty one is a 1 lot as shown it. This is because the multiplier is 1 whenever I am running it in TradeTron. So same way the buy position builders will also be buying 3 lots. So that is there. So here what I do is I keep a MTM stop loss of 2000 per lots. So because I am trading a 3 lots, so here the stop loss, the combined stop loss is 6000, and there is a and this strategy trades in both Nifty and Banknifty, and there is an active code for Fin Nifty also, which we'll be talking about. So here what I am using is PNL underlying. So by using this, I can say just consider the profit and loss of those options only, or where underlying is Nifty 50, so that it will exclude the Banknifty loss or profit. So that way this condition is put so that the maximum loss is 2000. So that is for the set 4. Now this set 5 is the same strategy which I am running in Nifty, this 1130. I was running it in means few days, few expiry days I ran it on the Fin Nifty also, but one issue came because of which I made it inactive. Now how to make a strategy inactive, though it is there in this this set itself. So let's go to the condition. So in the Nifty, if you see the time is greater than or equal to 1130. So to make this strategy inactive for Fin Nifty, Nifty Financial Services, what I have done is I made the time greater than market close time. So that way it will never be executed during the market time. And if I want to execute it, I will just change this time value to 1130, submit it, and then modify the strategy, means update the strategy from here. So this Fin Nifty strategy is same. It sells the ITM1 option, and then it puts the same the combined premium 37.5% of combined premium on both the side for the stop loss. And same like, so here I'm just trading in one lot for Fin Nifty. So the stop loss, the underlying stop loss for Fin Nifty is kept at 2000 only. So now the thing with Fin Nifty is the brokers where I trade, they don't allow the market order. So I have to always put a limit order, whether for buying or whether for selling. So in trade troll advanced setting, we can do that by saying that always put a limit order and increase. So here what I'm saying is place it based on the LTP, whatever is the LTP, and increase it by 5 ticks. 5 tick is like 1 tick is 0.05 rupee, so 5 tick is 0.25 rupee, which is 25 paisa. So it will increase it by 25 paisa each, and then it will do it 5 times. And if it is not able to fill the order in this way in 5 seconds, then it will execute the order at market price. But in TradeTron, execute at market price means it will just put a limit order 5% higher than the LTP at that time, like when this process started. So say maybe the option was and the on the expiry day, the Fin Nifty options or any options will be less in price, means Fin Nifty when it comes to Fin Nifty or Nifty. So if the Fin Nifty option is trading at 30, so that and its price moves beyond 5%, so 5% of 30 is around 1.5 yeah, 1 rupee 50 paisa. So that way means, and the option price might go beyond 30, might become 33 or 34. In that case, TradeTron will error it out. So what will happen is it will not get executed and someone has to handle it manually. And in the case you are doing a job and this is just you are not able to monitor actively, it's preferable to avoid taking such trades which have high possibility of going into error. So that's where I made it inactive. For Nifty, Bank Nifty, that issue I have not seen. Means it might come because of liquidity issues or if the move is very sharp. But till now I have not seen. But Fin Nifty, it is kind of common. So if you are if you want to try it out and you are able to monitor it, then monitor it proactively, means on a you are able to watch whenever the trade is being taken or whenever the stop loss is being hit. You can just change the time and it will start working. So that's how this overall strategy is. And Nifty, Bank Nifty, once you deploy it, it will start taking trades. For Fin Nifty, it is inactive. You have to change the time, and then one thing is for Fin Nifty also, if we see, it is checking for the expiry, current week expiry of Nifty Fin Service. Expiry of Nifty Financial Services happens on Tuesday, so automatically it will take trade on Tuesday only, and in case Tuesday is a holiday, it will automatically take trade on Monday. So that way means in TradeTron we don't have to adjust the strategy, we just put the expiry day and it takes care by itself. So that's one good thing here, we don't have to change the strategy once it is set. So that's the overall yeah, that's the overview of this strategy, and hope it will give you some template. Like this same template you can use to build different strategies in the same one strategy of the TradeTron. And yeah, like if you have to put different stop losses for the same underlying, so I think there are some PNL keyword in TradeTron. Yeah. So there is a page by Tradetron where they've given like how you can find the PNL of a particular set. So they've given different options where you can use the PNL keyword under the traded instrument. So you can check the PNL for that particular set. So this first number is the set, and the instruments which you are trading, like 1, 2, and the repair ones condition. So all of that you can sum up, and once you sum it up, it can be checked like if so this is greater than equal to 5,000 means that the profit is becoming more than 5,000, and less than equal to minus 2,000 is if the loss is becoming more than 2,000. So then you can exit from this strategy. So this way, if you want to put the set level exits also, so say you want to say that limit my maximum loss at 925 strategy to 2000 and 1130 to 2000 and 1330 also to 2000. So you can use this kind of logic into the exit condition. So hope this helps you. Thanks.